Oh, talking about sunflowers. These here is for all you people out there that ain't bird lovers. These are bird feeders here, and you pour this bird seed in here, and the birds get up here and eat that bird seed that comes out of there. And this is talking about the pandemic. If I had to go through one, now's a good time for it. Cause I got nothing to do but sit around and watch the birds anyway. Cause I've been retired for about 10 years, and since this pandemic has hit, I haven't been to no public place where I had to mix with anybody. And therefore, I ain't had to wear a mask or any. And and you can see out yonder, that lake, right near my house. And I get there and walk around that lake. But of course, I was already doing it for years. In fact, I've been doing it about 10 years ever since I retired. And walk. Great way to get exercise. I get out there just before daylight every morning and walk halfway around the lake, which is a mile and a half, and a mile and a half back, so that's 3 miles a day. Plus I walk another few hundred yards, probably walking around the house and yard. Then in the afternoon I'll take another walk about half that far. So I'm getting them pretty good pandemic time here. And these seeds here, I guess they had never been cooked or nothing, just plain old seed dried out. Cause a lot of this stuff will fall out on the ground. And look what you got here. Big old huge sunflower here. Yeah. And there's other kinds of things around here. I've got a stalk of wheat. Came up over there. I had one here a while back. And well, this is my pride and joy here. This beautiful sunflower. As you can see, right in the middle of it is where all them seeds are. And from the looks of it, there may be hundreds of them. And this is not, you can see part of it's still green in there. It ain't all dried out. And this flower's been opened up for about a week now. I don't know how long it's going to last, but I'm going to keep an eye on it. And might even put it on film another day. And if something happens to it. But this is a great way of passing time, just watching these birds and flowers, mowing the yard, and get all kinds of birds here. Red birds, black birds, wrens, orioles, jaybirds, even crows. And at night I've seen coons down here even eating these seeds that fall out. And birds are real messy eating these stuff. And they all kind of, they probably put more on the ground than they eat. And this, so you don't need to plant them, they'll just come up automatically. I don't know what kind of seeds these are. Maybe they'll get a flower on them after a while and I'll know what they are. But yeah. But it's a beautiful flower. And this pole here, all you need. I only know what they cost, not very much, I'm sure. And you can get them with one house or two houses on them. Or birdseed house, I call them. But this is really beautiful sunflower, and when the seeds get when the flower dies, I'm gonna get them seeds and put me a whole row out there somewhere. See if they'll come up, and maybe I'll have something to really show you next time. How sweet it is. Sunflower seeds come up and make flowers free of charge here in beautiful downtown Durant, Florida. So great to be retired. And everybody needs to watch the birds and get you a haircut where you don't have to go to a barber during this pandemic. And I just happened to have a pair of clippers when this thing come along. So my wife just started. All you have to do is just get your pair of clippers, just go all over your head, and then you don't have to worry about combing your hair. And when you take a shower, you don't have to stand there and dry your hair for 10 minutes. You don't like the rest of your skin when it gets way down there, like that. So, take a tip from this old retired boy. Get your exercise and watch the birdies.